So when I say that product leaders should work on the product organization or operating model using a product approach, what exactly am I saying? Let's think through it for a second. So imagine this organization. It has its customers, right? And let's say it's a scale up. It already has a couple of products, maybe a main product and some smaller products that support these customers. Each one of those products would have a product manager, PM, that works, or you could say own that product and optimizes that product for outcomes for the customers. And they would use product thinking to focus on outcomes and iterate along the way. We might have some internal products, maybe platform product that supports these other products. And we would have a product manager here as well that considers these people their customers and their experience of how to use this platform and its adoption and effectiveness is what they focus on here. Each one of those products also has a product team that works on it with that product manager. And each one of those teams works in some sort of iterative, product-oriented way and is empowered to achieve goals for this product. Each one of them might have one metric that matters that they pass on, and they all work towards a North Star. And what is the role of the product leader here? Their role is to make sure that this is the right design for optimizing our overall outcomes from this, let's call it, portfolio of products. So the product organization, which includes the product teams and engineering, essentially needs to be tweaked over time to maximize outcomes. And that might mean growing a certain product, deciding not to invest too much in a new product, launching a new, product, Horizon 3 thing, and having the team for that. So that's the role of the product leader, working on the product organization, but also how do these product managers work on their products? So another thing that the product leader is responsible for is our operating model, or our product operating model specifically, which could also be considered a product that has these product managers and product teams as its customers. And that product should also be developed using an iterative product-oriented approach, because it might change over time. We will learn over time what's the best way to operate as a product organization. So that's also a responsibility of the product leader. You might consider them the product manager for this work on the product operating model, even if they don't do the work themselves. Who does the work on the product operating model? Could be different people from the product organization, could be a product operations team. But that's essentially the product leader's responsibility, is to focus on the product organization and to use a product operating model, our product approach, for seeing this as a product that they provide to the organization. So in a sense, they are the steward for having an effective way of working for product people in the organization. A lot of their time should be spent on this, both stuffing the product organization and thinking about its topology, and should we have a platform, should we not, what kind of responsibilities should we have where, how to invest in our portfolio, what initiatives to focus on, looking at the biggest initiatives that are on the table and deciding which of those to double down on, which of those to make a bet, and bringing product thinking at that level as well. That's more portfolio level management. That's another role of the product leader, but a big part of it is the product operating model. The next level of this, and what I see some product leaders do, is they think of the wider picture of the organization as something that could also benefit from product thinking. So if we think of the wider organization as a product that serves everybody in the organization, whether it's sales, whether it's marketing, whether it's customer success, everybody is using the company as a product, culture as a product, and we have a role, the company, to develop this way of working and scale it over time and tweak it to overcome the challenges and the issues that we're seeing. The same approach of iterating and finding and trying things that we use for building our products should be used for developing our company. Hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions or insights.